Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to get past the two-step verification on Roblox. So if you have set the two-step verification on Roblox while signing in, and now you have lost your access to your account that you used to create, or maybe in general you just want to pass it, you don't want to get that two-step verification, so there is a way through which you can simply pass that two-step verification and get login in your account. The first thing that you have to make sure that you have already installed a Roblox app. If not, you can still get it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once you have it, you also have to make sure that you have already created your account on it. Once you are done with all these things, just simply open Roblox app, and once it get open, you get to the page. Now you have to click onto this option login, and after that you'll see your username there. In case you couldn't see, you can just simply type in, and you just have to simply add your password here. Once you have added your password, click onto this option login, and after that it will take you to where you have to just simply add your password. After adding your password, it will take you where now you just have to simply add your two-step verification code. That code will be received on your email, so you have to simply get up here now. If you choose this option, which is to choose another verification method, there you have to add your 9-digit code. But let's say you don't have access to both of these things, so in that case we have this option. If you look down to the verification option, you will see this option. Just simply click onto this. Now it will take you to the browser where you just simply submit a problem to the team of Roblox. They'll just simply solve this issue for you. Once you get to this page, you just have to simply scroll down. You will see this option troubleshooting, and also this option need more help, contact support. Here just simply click onto this option, and after that you have to add your date. Here your date of birth. Make sure you add the same which is on your Roblox account. If you don't remember, then you can just simply use any one of this, but make sure you're 18 plus. And now you just have to simply add your personal information up here. Fill out all this information, including your name, your username, and other stuff. When you do so, after that you have to click on submit. So once you have added all information, there you can see we have this option which says like which device you are using. You have to use and tell the one that you are using, and type of health category. You have to choose this first option. Then after that you have to choose two-step verification, and in description just simply explain your issue that you have lost access to your account and now you couldn't get login because of the two-step verification. Once you do, whenever its team contacts you back, they will solve out this issue for you, and that's it. That's how you can pass the two-step verification on Roblox. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. In case you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Also press the bell icon button so whenever a new video gets published, you can get notified. Leave a like and comment. And at the last, thank you so much for watching this video.